multi-level ones. Multi-level in the sense I have a parent class, I have a child class over here, and I can have one more child class which is being defined. Okay, so now let's consider this as a grandparent. Okay, this will be a parents, and we'll be having one child class. Okay, what I'm going to do here is I'll create one more class, PUBPY. I'm just defining with the help of my dogs hierarchy. Okay. Now what I'll do is I'm going to just give class puppy extends. I'm going to not extend it from my other class. Rather, I'm just going to extend it from my dog class. Okay. So I'll just do it like this. And now what I'll do is I'll just write one more method inside this. And I'll give a sysop. And puppy here, and I drink. So now if you see here, team, just for understanding purpose, this is single level inheritance where I'm inheriting the properties of animal. So here in this class, I'm just inheriting the properties of dog. Now, if I create an object for puppy, right, I'll be able to use methods of dog as well as I'll be able to use the methods of animal as well. So this is how the flow basically goes. Carefully, what I'm going to do here is I'll just give, how will I create an object? You already know, puppy P1 object name is equal to new class name of. Okay, now if I just give p1 dot, now you see I'm able to see number of eggs. I'm able to use that dog method. It has the properties of, it also has the properties of eat. Eat is basically the animal class, right? So that also I'll be able to use. Also, not only that, I'll be able to use my puppy method also. So in base class methods, my parent class, all just one class by just using my extends keyword. So this level of inheritance is called multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance. So in this way, I'll be able to inherit all the properties one shot, and I'll be able to use it into my program. Okay, so I'll just give something like yeah. So now if I run this program from my parent class, everything, see, dog here is also being called over here, but the object with respect to puppy class, since it is extending dog and dog is extending to the parent class, I'll be able to get all the properties by just creating one object for the inherited class. Okay, so now how to this is going to help from an automation standpoint is, in real time, we basically use multiple browsers for running our test. Okay, so on what we will do in real time is we'll have one base class defined where all the browser definitions are basically taken care, like Chrome browser, Firefox browser, what are the properties, what is the proxy details which is needed. Everything will be defined in the base class, and we will be defining inherited class for the browser instances. For opening Chrome browser, to do this one. Okay, you need to use this property, but you need to open Chrome browser with this code. Like that, we'll be inheriting different classes, but the base properties of opening a browser will be defining a base class. Okay, so this is how we from an automation world. I don't want to show the syntax and just confuse the automation. That's why I just gave a high level kind of an example. Do automation coding, right? That time I